Hello dear students, now I am going to discuss Cambridge IGCSE Chemistry October-November 2024 paper 42. Number 1. The formula of the molecules A to I are shown in table 1.1. A, B, C, D, there are molecule and their formulas are given. So you are asking, answer the following questions about the molecules A to I. Each letter may be used once, more than once, or not at all. State which of the molecules A to I A is an element with triple bond, and you know nitrogen has nitrogen triple bond. Nitrogen has nitrogen triple bond, so answer will be Z. Number B is a product of photosynthesis. This photosynthesis product is oxygen, so H will be answer. Photosynthesis plant use carbon dioxide and water to produce glucose and oxygen, so here oxygen is the product. And number C is used as a fuel is the ethanol, so B is the correct answer. Ethanol used as fuel. And D, turns lime water milky. D is the right answer because D is carbon dioxide. You know, carbon dioxide turns lime water milky. Number E, undergoes a substitution reaction with alkanes. Alkane reacts with chlorine to form chloroalkane plus hydrogen chloride, so answer will be E. Chlorine alkane reacts with chlorine. Reaction type is substitution. F is a colorless liquid at room temperature. This answer will be B, as ethanol is a colorless liquid at RTP, means room temperature and pressure. And Z is a unsaturated ethene. Ethene CH2 double bond CH2, so ethene contains carbon-carbon double bond, that's why ethene molecule is unsaturated. And number H is 21% of clean dry air. Dry air has 21% oxygen and 78% nitrogen, so here 21% will be oxygen, that means H. And I is a reactant in the Haber process. Z means nitrogen molecule. Haber process reactant is nitrogen and hydrogen. Nitrogen and hydrogen reacts to produce ammonia gas, so is a reactant in the Haber process. This answer will be nitrogen. Number 2, aluminum is manufactured by electrolysis of aluminum oxide. State the name of the main ore of aluminum. You know, aluminum ore is bauxite, BAUXITE, bauxite. Bauxite, from bauxite ore, aluminum metal is extracted. Number B, Name the substance mixed with aluminum oxide to reduce the operating temperature of the process. Cryolite. Cryolite is used to reduce the melting temperature of aluminum oxide. Number C. Explain why the molten mixture in B conduct electricity. It has mobile ions. Aluminum oxide breakdown to form aluminum and oxide ion, aluminum ion and oxide ion. So it has mobile ions. Explain why the molten mixture in B conduct electricity. Because it has mobile ions, that's why it conduct electricity. Table 2.1 contains some information about process which take place at the anode and at the cathode. Anode and at the anode, oxide ion loses 4 electrons to form oxygen. At the anode, oxidation reaction occurs. And at the cathode, aluminum ion gains 3 electrons, as it is 3 plus, so gains 3 electrons to form aluminum. Complete table 1 is done. And 2, complete table 2-1. Write the number of electrons needed to balance the ionic half equations for the reaction at the anode. Here 4 electrons, because minus 2 times 2, 2 times 2, 4, negative 4, here 0, negative 4 to 0, so oxide ion lose 4 electron, that's why this will be 4. Write the ionic half equation for the reaction at the cathode. Aluminum ion gains 3 electrons to form aluminum. Number 2, state why process at the anode is an oxidation. Anode, oxide ion lose electrons, so electrons are lost from the oxide ion. That's why this is an oxidation. As electron is lost, this process is known as oxidation. Number 3, oxygen is formed at the anode. Explain why the main gas given off at the anode is carbon dioxide and not oxygen. And anode is made of carbon, and anode is made of carbon, so anode reacts with carbon, anode reacts with oxygen, carbon reacts with oxygen, carbon dioxide is produced, carbon dioxide is formed. That's why the main gas given off at the anode is carbon dioxide, not oxygen, because as anode oxygen is produced, so oxygen gas reacts with anode to produce carbon dioxide. E. State why aluminum is used in food containers. Aluminum is resistant to corrosion, that's why it is used in food containers. Aluminum is resistant to corrosion. Dot and cross diagram of aluminum fluoride. This aluminum first shell 2 electrons, second shell 10 electrons, and is third shell lose 3 electrons to form positive 3. And fluoride ion gain 1 electron to form negative ion. Every fluoride ion gain 1 electron to form negative ion.